That's my girl. Ooh.
Hey, babe. I got your rose.
Back. Back. Back.
Will you just take the damn rose?
No, I ain't gonna take no rose, okay? Look. I know that you cheated on me, okay?
Yeah, I cheated on you. Sorry.
You know what? We're through.
What? No. We can still work this out. Come on.
You know what? We weren't even meant to be together. Because I cheated on you too.
You did what?
Yep, at the prom. Matt, yes, your best friend. He gave me that D word under the table. You see, I am the queen of love.
The hell you are, bitch?
No, baby. No, baby.
Oh, I see you didn't buy the wig I told you to.
Yes, no, baby. Baby, no.
Say goodbye to your what, bitch?
Oh,